Ever dreamt of earning money while you sleep and traveling the world without financial worries? Affiliate marketing promises just that, but is it truly that simple? The allure of passive income and location independence captivates many, offering a vision of effortless earnings without managing inventory or customer service. However, the reality is far from glamorous. Success in affiliate marketing demands consistent effort, strategic planning, and resilience, often with slow initial progress. Setting realistic expectations is crucial. For some, success means a full-time income, while for others, it's a side hustle funding occasional luxuries. The competitive landscape of affiliate marketing is crowded, but niches like fitness, personal finance, travel, or technology offer growth opportunities for those who specialize. Establishing a strong online presence through SEO, websites, and social media is vital. Your digital storefront must attract and engage your audience effectively. Investing in essential tools like website hosting, email marketing software, analytics tools, and SEO software can significantly enhance your affiliate marketing efforts. Choosing the right affiliate programs with transparent commission structures and products that align with your niche is key to higher conversion rates. Creating high-quality, engaging content tailored to your audience's needs is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. Diverse formats like blogs, videos, and infographics keep your audience interested. Success requires constant optimization. Track metrics, analyze data, and refine your strategies. Embrace a long-term approach, build genuine relationships, and avoid chasing quick wins.